Friends, Nokia is a famous smartphone manufacturer brand from Finland. But, Nokia's mobiles are also highly popular in the global market. Now, Nokia is all set to launch another fantastic smartphone. It's going to be called the Nokia Lumia 100 Max 5G. Even before its official launch, some of its features have already been leaked online. According to the leaks, this smartphone is going to feature a 200 megapixel camera setup, and the two at a very affordable price. If you're also excited to get your hands on this amazing smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video, we'll be diving into all the leaked features, price, and launch date of this incredible device. So, let's start. Features of the Nokia Lumia 100 Max 5G. Nokia's upcoming smartphone is going to have a stunning design. It will feature a 6.75-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with a 120Hz refresh rate. The display resolution is expected to be 1440 x 3200 pixels, and it will be protected by Gorilla Glass 7 for added durability. Camera setup. This amazing smartphone is rumored to come with a triple camera setup. You'll get a 200 megapixel DSLR level primary camera, along with a 50 megapixel and a 5 megapixel secondary camera setup. For selfies and video calls, there's a 50 megapixel front camera that's going to deliver stunning results. Processor. When it comes to performance, this phone is expected to pack a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 octa-core processor. This means you'll be able to enjoy smooth, professional-level gaming on this device. As for the operating system, it might run on the latest Android 15 out of the box. Battery life. Nokia's new smartphone is rumored to come with a massive 7000 mAh lithium polymer battery. And that's not all. It will also support 100-watt fast USB Type-C charging, which means you can fully charge this beast in just 25 minutes. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. As of now, there's no official information available. But if we talk about the launch date, leaks suggest that it might be unveiled early next year.